Hello guys, welcome to our video. We will be teaching you how to make an origami dinosaur. Let's get straight into it.
Step 1, get one piece of origami paper.
Step 2, then fold the paper in half, once horizontally and once vertically.
Just like this, and then like this. 3, turn paper over and fold diagonally both ways. Fold the mid corners in.
Step 5, fold this edge to the center line, both edges. Also do the same thing on the other side. Step 6, fold this top corner down, crease and unfold. Do the same thing on the other side. Then unfold all you did in step 5 and then lift this bottom corner up to make a skinny diamond. Just like this. Step 7, fold this edge to this line. Do the same to the other side. Step 8, then put your fingers on the X crease and pull the top half up so it's pointing straight up.
Fold the bottom front half back, then fold it in half.
Step 10, pull the top corner forward to make a head, then pull the outer back flaps down to make legs.
Step 11, pull the leg corners like the head to make feet.
All done! That's how you make an origami dinosaur. We hope you enjoy!